All right, so today in class, what we talked about was our basic statistics, our 5 definitions that we had to get to right here. So mean is the average of added up all the numbers and divided by how many numbers you see. Median, the middle value of listed numbers from least to greatest. Mode, the number that you see or occurs the most. Range is the highest number minus the lowest number, or basically the difference between the maximum and the minimum. An outlier, a number that stands away and is different from the norm. Okay, so we're going to talk about that is going to be our discussion piece for Thursday. So we're going to keep it here. So just some quick practice questions that we went over in class. So what we have is our mean here for this question. Sorry, let me zoom in on this one for you a little bit. Okay. So what we have is our mean. So what we want to do is we're going to add up all the terms together, which is going to get me 28. And then what I have to do is, since I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, I have to divide by 7. So that will get me 4. Our mode that we see that occurs the most, I see that there's a 5 that goes 1 time, a 5 that goes 2 times, and 3 times. So this is the only number that happens there. I see that the highest number is 6. And I see the lowest number is 2. So that means my range becomes 4 also. And then our median is one that would take us the most work. So we would put all of our numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay. And what's going to happen is we're going to see the number that happens in the middle. So we see that there is a total of 7 numbers. So the number in the middle is going to be the one that's going to be there. So 2 ways to do this is we would count from the side here 3, this side 3, making this the middle number, or the classic way, cancel, cancel, until we get to the number in the middle, which would be 5. So moving right along, we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to put the numbers in order first. Okay, from least to greatest. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find our mean. So we're going to add up all those numbers. That's going to get me to 105. Then I'm going to divide by this total number of 7, which is going to get me 15. So the mode, this is the number that occurs the most. We see that there's a 10 and a 10, a 12 and a 12. So there's 2 of those where we allow the number to have 2. So we see that there's 2 sets of numbers. Let's go, keep it there. Okay, so we're allowed to have that. Range is our highest number subtracted by our lowest number. So 24 minus 10 equals 14. And finally, the median is the number that comes in the middle. So same thing. We would count 3 in 1, 2, 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 12. That works. Or cancel on the outside. Again, it's 12. Thank you.